In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Figma's noise and texture plugin effectively in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started with Figma, this plugin can add a whole new dimension to your creative projects by allowing you to create textures and noise effects with ease. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Figma.com, the collaborative interface design tool that so many designers rely on today. Once there, you'll see the home page welcoming you, complete with resources and popular files from the Figma community. At this point, all you'll need to do is click on the Login button, located conveniently at the top right corner of your screen. If you're not already logged in, simply enter your credentials to access your account and all your wonderful design projects. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the home page. It's the main hub for all your recent projects and drafts. This screen is your gateway to accessing your various design files and creating new ones from scratch or shared templates. From here, locate and click on the Design section. This option should be readily visible on your dashboard and will bring you into the design environment where you can bring your concepts to life. Now, within the design environment, make sure you have the appropriate design file open in which you wish to use the noise and texture plugin. Next, you'll want to move your focus to the Action button. Clicking this will open up a myriad of options specifically designed to enhance your capacity to work intuitively and efficiently within your design. Next step, look for the search bar, a handy tool that lets you quickly find various plugins. Go ahead and type noise and texture into the search field. This will filter your results to exactly what we are looking for today. Once the search results appear, select the noise and texture plugin. This plugin can add that extra distinctive flair to your designs, adding depth and complexity with ease. Now, with the plugin ready at hand, you simply click on it to open up the options that it provides. You're almost there. The final step is to click on the Run button. This will execute the plugin and allow you to start experimenting with adding textures and noise effects immediately. You have the power to adjust settings according to your needs, giving each element just the right amount of graininess or texture. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to use and run the noise and texture plugin in Figma, which can bring your designs up a notch by adding that extra bit of realism or artistic flair. Remember that mastering these tools not only enhances your designs, but also streamlines your workflow. Keep experimenting and have fun exploring the vast world of design within Figma.